Hey folks, how y'all doing? We are making smoked wild turkey, barbecue smoked wild turkey, and I dry rubbed it with my special season, which I'll tell you is half brown, well, mostly brown sugar and some Old Bay seasoning. Um, Old Bay seasoning and dark old-fashioned brown sugar. So let's see what we got going on here. All right. In the background, we got her smoking. And it's very simple. It's a crock pot recipe, just like I do the deer barbecue. I'll send you a link on that below. But I've had it smoking at a cold smoke for about an hour and a half. And right now the temperature, I can't see a daggone thing because of the sun. But there you go. It's right below smoking. But I dry rubbed it with there you go. Whew. It's a turkey, one turkey breast. Probably two, probably be good, but and I got my I got my charcoal and my wood box here, my Wilmington grill. Spray some water on that every now and then to keep it smoking. I got charcoal in there, hickory wood, a little bit of everything. But she's starting to get a nice bark on that thing. I'm gonna smoke it a little longer, and it's still nice and tender. What you don't want it to overcook it. Dry it out. So I'm gonna let it smoke for a little while longer. And it's a cold smoke. So we'll be back after a while. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. We're back. We're done smoking the turkey. We did it for, I'm gonna say about 2 hours. It's the back side of it. I flipped it once during smoking, and there's the top side of it. And I also cut up some bacon, real small bits. Add a little fat to it, and that's a little chunk of turkey. Look at that. Woo. All right, we're gonna chop that up as well, but we're gonna take it, the whole turkey breast. This is from a wild turkey killed last year. And wash my hands off. I gotta switch hands. I'm gonna show you the smoke ring in this wild turkey breast. I used to fry them, make turkey nuggets, but my daughter and wife don't, and well, we're trying to get away from fried foods. But I'm gonna cut this turkey breast in half. It's not cooked all the way, but it's pretty all. Look at that. Them smoke rings. But it's still not all the way done. You don't want to cook it all the way done. There's still that moisture still in that meat. And here's the other side. Oh, that's a good looking turkey breast. So, all right, I mean, put this in the pot. Well, I'll try to do it one-handed. And what we'll do here, we'll put this all in here whole. And this little one, I'll just take this up and chop it up. That's just a little piece of meat off the breast. That looks good. Oh, if y'all can smell this right now. Oh my God. Put it in a crock pot. Do the best we can. All right. We're gonna lay it in there flat. Turn some lights on. All right, that ought to be a whole lot better. Turn this light on, dude. All right, so now you see it in there. We're gonna sprinkle this bacon on top of it. All right, we got it set on low. So, and that's another thing we got to do afterwards. We got to chop it all up after it gets really cooked down. Gets tender. All right. And I'll show you my ingredients. First thing goes in about half a can, or just a little bit. I'd rather have regular Coke, but we got cherry Coke. That's all, I'll be fine. It helps cook it and makes it tender. With the carbonation and all that good stuff. I'm using bone sucking sauce. A little bit of that. A little bit of Nanny's barbecue sauce. All this is local. This is in Raleigh, North Carolina, not far from me. And this is Nanny's barbecue sauce made right here in Virginia, right near Petersburg. And Sweet Baby Ray's. Anything you got that's nice and sweet, or whatever you like. All right. What kind of sauce you like? Sires is good. Any kind of style is good. All right. Let me go ahead and dump all that in there. Dump the Coke in there first. On one hand, I don't have my tripod today. There you go. You wouldn't think a can of Coke would be that hard to open up. All right. Woo! We heard that. All right. Okay. We got it set on low. And pour a little of Coke. Not much. You hear it fizzing, y'all? Okay, we still got right much left in there. All right. She's in there. Might turn to high for a while to get it cooking, then we'll turn it on low. But got enough Coke in there. Now I'm going to throw some sauce to it. And I always like to shake up my sauce. Bone sucking sauce, and this has got bad day on. It's great bone sucking sauce. You can get some of it. Get it. Food Line carries it. All right. And this is wild turkey, y'all. Look at that. Look at that sauce in there. That's some good looking stuff. All right. Still got a little more left in there. But to me, barbecue ain't barbecue unless you got some smoked flavoring to it. I ain't wasting that sauce. Put it up in there. Alright, now we're going to add some more. And it's an unedited video, y'all. I'm sorry for the time. We're going to take some of this. This is more like a vinegar-based type of sauce. And Annie's barbecue. Alright, put some of that in there. That's a lot thinner. Alright. Now we're going to cook, put the Sweet Baby Ray's in there. Sorry about that. There we go. I got a lot of this, so I'm not gonna be generous with it. All right, there we go. We're gonna put the top on it and let her cook. And I'll be back after a while, y'all. Hey, y'all, how you doing? We got the wild turkey breast out of the crock pot. Now we're shredding it up. Okay, we're gonna take a fork. You just gotta take it and just like this. Just keep on shredding. And it's real easy to shred. And we'll mince it up even more. And you see the dark color where it's smoked. And I'll shred it more. Here, then we'll cook more in the crock pot after I get it done. It'll get more tender as it stays in the crock pot. All right, then we'll put it back in the pot. Okay, folks, we got it all mixed up like we want. I mean, it is like really mixed up. I mean, small strands pulled, and I use a fork to help shred it. And here's one little big piece. I'll just take my fingers and I'll wash my hands. This is a bow kill crossbow, 2021 season. And oh gosh, this is gonna be some kind of good. But any bigger piece like this, just take your finger and just break them apart. So you know, make it like a sloppy Joe or anything you want. And I got a doggy right down here, waiting for me to drop a piece. Hi, puppy. Hi, Ruby. And anyhow, I got that all done. And we'll just slide her back in here. We don't want to waste none of this. Good Lord, let us harvest this turkey. That's barbecue sauce from my boil out of the crock pot. But this will help it cook a little more. Right here. Yeah, y'all, wash my hands off real quick and get the rest of this meat. Don't want to waste nothing. Alright, wash my hand. I'll take my spent wooden spoon and I'll stir it up. Alright. Oh yeah. Y'all, this, oh my goodness. Let's stir around. It'll be so daggone good. Look at that meat. Oh gosh. With smoke flavor. Oh Lord. I'm put the top back on that. I clean up everything as I go to. Alright, and I got her set on low. And so, I'm gonna say 6 to 8 hours. Let it cook 6 to 8 hours, and my turkey breast, wild turkey breast, I did for I'm thinking 2 hours on low smoke. I mean, smoke like 120, 150. Depends on how much smoke flavor you want. All right, we'll be back shortly. All right. Okay, y'all, get ready to try some. It's ready. Put it on a little bit on the plate. Chop that up. rest in peace. I just gave my wife and my little girl some. Well, my daughter, not my little girl, sorry. And she's filming it right now. How was it, Kinsley?
It was good.
Is that all?
It was very good.
Okay. That's scrumptious. Kinsley, don't get too close. I won't scare about it though. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a winner. You wouldn't even know it was wild turkey. It's not good it tastes. Look at that. Thumbs up. All right, Kinsley. Y'all have a good one. God bless and simplify. Try this recipe out, y'all. Hoorah. Okay, y'all. Remember, this is a good recipe, y'all. So y'all try it. Thank you very much for watching. God bless and simplify. Please subscribe. Hoorah. Y'all be good now.